ESTA's FILTOWER series is the first plug-and-play system series that covers 3 application areas: welding fumes, oil mist, and fine dust. Plug-and-play systems improve the air quality in manufacturing areas and production halls. They're used when local containment extraction is not sufficient on its own or not practical. The systems are available in 3 performance levels, from 13,000 cubic meters per hour to 22,000 cubic meters per hour, suitable for all hall sizes. The FILTOWER systems work according to the principle of layer ventilation. A large volume of contaminated air is sucked in on the top side and fed into the interior area. The newly developed pre-separation system separates coarse particles and sparks from fine dust. This leads to a considerable increase in the service life of the filters and reduces the risk of filter fire caused by potentially sucked-in sparks. Filter cartridges with dust classification M almost completely separate the remaining fine particles. The separation efficiency is 99.9%, making it possible to recirculate the cleaned air back into the work area. The heated air in the hall does not need to be reheated in the winter, saving up to 70% in heating costs. The cleaned air is returned back into the hall via lateral displacement diffusers. This way, employees are always supplied with fresh air, as recommended by the Employers' Liability Association. Filter cartridges are cleaned fully automatically during the operation by means of compressed air blasts. Dirt particles sticking to the filter cartridges are removed and fall down into a mobile dust collection drawer. 2 lockable collection boxes in the drawer ensure dust-free disposal of the separated material. The FILTOWER L systems are equipped with a collection unit with a discharge tap for the separated emulsion. The patent-pending filter change system enables changing filter cartridges in only 10 minutes, fast and easy. The System Control Unit offers a comprehensive operating panel which can be used to display and set the most important operating parameters and device functions. All systems are also available in the Eco Plus version, with a control concept that achieves energy savings of up to 50%. The FILTOWER systems are installed in the work area close to the source of pollution and are ready to use without any further assembly work. Simply connect it to the power supply and compressed air. That's it.